D.Va defect. What's it? Alright. Widow stairs. Oh, it's so cool. Alright. All right. Go right along. Nice pick. Get the go. W. I'm swept tonight.
Feet, worth it. Go.
On a low. I'm at ult.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Alright, cool. They have the princess now.
Widow's dead. I got all the fun so hard.
Don't play the Doom too much. Do that.
Dragon and forward.
Maybe not. We're good. We're fine. Good.
We're fine. Nice pick.
All the way, Reaper. Let's go.
Nice.
Rock taking an out.
I'm bailing out for a second. Let's get this back.
They're all weak,
Lap 17.
I'm gonna in cart, you go. I can't do much here.
Back up, guys. Back up.
Hey, we're good.
All the way back.
We play so.
A lot of altitude. Hey, Reaper. Let me,
I like that. Just only one. I'll be ready. Alright.
real soon. Right now.
They know I have ult.
Here we go.
Go in the room.
Come up with me, Reaper.
Rip is in the room.
Slow down, come back,
He
come back.
can't touch. There's no way he
Hey,
can.
here we go. Fine.
For Myra,
Listen, behind. Watch this, you're losing.
It's Castle, Moira.
That's shattered. Play smart. Get this run. Hustle.
Awesome. Yep.
Repress alt.
Sorry, behind first.
Sorry.
Sorry, to one.
Ready? So weak.
We're going to 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm gonna kill the bat.
He's dead.
I see what he.
He's so weak.